power situation in the country, we do know, doomsaw is a synonymous problem with our power challenge, and I'm no exception. I have suffered my own share of power challenges. I return home at night, and on the way I notice the lights are off, and I get frustrated already. For me, the worst part is when I come home, I typically go straight to my children's room to see how they are doing. And the sight of them sweating because of the heat has really, really been a painful thing for me. So a lot of the time when I come home, I need to take them and put them on the bed tiles, take off their dresses so they lie naked on the bed tiles, and I also do that with them. It's really, really been a troubling moment for us. Well, so I was trying to manage because sometimes the power is on, sometimes the power is off. Then we had a new baby, and then the evening we returned from the hospital, just as we entered the gate, the power went off, and that baby spent the night crying. I mean, that night was perhaps the most frustrating ever because it's a little baby just crying because of the heat, the darkness, and all of that. And that was when I decided I need to find a solution. So I thought, get a generator. I'm like, too noisy, even if it's not too noisy, too expensive, even if it's too expensive, running it is a challenge. So find something a little more lasting. So I thought, go solar. Because of course, as an SDG advocate, SDG ambassador, solar is the renewable energy, is the best way out. And I thought, let me go for solar. Then the question was, which solar company do you go for? And the answer came readily available. Translight. I mean, I've heard them on the radio. They advertise with my company, and this is very credible because if not, they will not be on our platform. And I said, hey guys, can you help me? I need help. And just like that, I have Translight solar in my house, and it's been exciting so far. People say that solar is expensive to install, but I say to them, have you considered how much money you spend on a regular electricity? Have you considered how much you spend on your generator, the fuel you buy? If you think all of this and then you decide to go solar, the thing with solar is that it is permanent. And the exciting thing with Translight Solar is that they give you a very flexible payment term. For instance, between 6 months and 36 months for you to pay for the installation. I logged onto that, and it's been very, very awesome. So you are enjoying while you are paying small. And honestly, it's been nothing but fun and excitement. I mean, if my tree were good, I would say umpewe anka upede. With Translight humming quietly in the background, I feel assured and I feel safe that when I come home, no matter what time there's power. I use Translight Solar, and I encourage you to do so too. Just call them up on the numbers or follow them on social media and tell them, Umaru Sanda said they should install Translight Solar for you. And I promise you, you will never regret it.